Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money with your phone, Android phone, iPhone, doesn't really matter, smartphone. You can do it online, you can do it with your phone, but these are going to be ways to earn money using your iPhone, and they're going to pay you in PayPal. Okay, these aren't going to be rewards or iTunes cards. These are going to be straight to PayPal. I'm going to show you 6 different apps that you can use to start making money. And then at the end, I'm going to show you my favorite, which one I like the best. Now, before we do that though, if you want to get some information on how you can start earning passive income, $300 or $400 per day, click on the link in the description. Okay, it's going to take you over there and give you the information you need to start earning passive income, so where you can go travel, have fun, do the fun things you want in life, and still earn income, while you're having fun and having a good time. Now, also, I like to every day come out with new videos. I like to show you exactly strategies and tips that you can use to make money online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Also hit that bell. That way you get notified of all the new videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. All right, so let's get right into it. So the first one is going to be surveys on the go. Okay, so you can use both the App Store and the Google Play Store. What you're going to be doing is you're just going to be taking surveys. Okay, you can like just surveys really during the day, and you can just take your phone with you. You could be anywhere you want, do a survey and get paid for it. And the more surveys that you do, the more money you're going to make. Okay, so this is something that you can take with you all the time. If you have your smartphone, it doesn't really matter. Android, iPhone, everybody hopefully has an iPhone now. If you still have a flip phone, you might want to upgrade to a smartphone to make this work for you. Okay, so the next one is going to be field agent. Now this is really one, I like this one because what this does is you're going to take your phone with you and you're going to go out to different areas when you're out shopping. That doesn't mean you have to always go out and do that, but when you're out and about and you go shopping, and if you're picking up stuff, you can become what is called a field agent. And what you do is you're going to be looking at different like displays. You want to see if how they look, and you want to like this display right here. You're gonna give feedback to this company, and you're gonna say, okay, in this store, this display looks good, it looks nice, and you're gonna get paid to do that. Okay, so you're gonna be helping these businesses with their store inventory. You want to make sure the inventory looks good, that it's not scattered all over the place. Okay, and you're gonna give feedback to that, and you can start, and you can make money doing that. They're gonna pay you out in PayPal, and you can take this with you. You could use this on your iPhone, on your smartphone, doesn't really matter. Okay, so field agent is going to be the next one. Now the next one is going to be panel app. Okay, this is going to be, you can use any type of iPhone you want with this. Now panel app is going to be an app that you download. You can use the App Store and you can use Google Play. What this is going to do is it's just going to be an app on your phone, and you don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is just what it's going to do is it's going to record what you do on your phone. Okay, there's no privacy to this. All they're going to be doing is they're going to be just researching how you interact with your phone, what apps you use, why you use them, apps you use the most. And what that's going to do is it's going to give data to this company, and they're going to be able to go to the companies that create apps so they can better create apps. Maybe companies like Apple will be able to they'll have a better experience with the phone. Okay, so all you're going to be doing is just putting this on your phone, and they're going to collect data on what you do with your iPhone. Okay, they're not going to. There's no privacy here. They're not going to they're just looking at what you're doing. Okay, like how many apps do you download, or how many apps do you play with, or do you play with games? Do you play with financial apps? Okay, there's just certain things. They're not going to say, well, they don't care about your texting. All right, they don't care about your phone or anything like that. They just care about your app usage. Like, what do you use? How long you use it? How often do you use it? And when you give that data to them, then they can sell that data, make money, and you get paid for that. Okay, and that's going to be paid to your PayPal account. The next one is going to be featured points. Okay, so this is going to be both iPhone and Android. Now, what this is you're going to download free apps. Okay, you download the free apps, and you have to actually open the apps up, and you have to kind of play with the apps a little bit and then you can get paid for that. Okay, so you have to actually physically download these apps that they're asking, and you have to play with them for a little bit, and then you're gonna earn points and get paid for that. Okay, so you get paid in PayPal, you get Amazon, you get all of these Starbucks. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just download the apps. And you can't just download the apps and not do anything. You actually have to open up the apps. Now, if you're like me and you like to download a ton of apps, this is gonna be a great little website that you can do. Okay, and they'll pay you out in PayPal here. Looks like they've already paid out over $5.2 million, which is huge. Okay, that's a lot of money that people have earned just from downloading apps. Now, if you kind of understand, if you don't really know what they do is you download these apps and then it gives feedback to the app creators. So the people that create the apps, they get information on whether you like this app, whether you didn't like this app. They're going to get some information on that so they can help improve their apps, and you're going to help them improve their apps. Now, the one I really like is going to be app trailers. Okay, so app trailers is good. I love movies. I like to go into movies, and app trailers will let you make some, earn some money through, it says they'll give you fast cash through PayPal. And all you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at trailers for up and coming movies, and you're going to be helping them to better understand whether the trailer works or whether it doesn't. The trailer for a movie is the huge marketing aspect of any type of movie. And a trailer can actually make or break whether a movie is going to be successful in the movie theater. So you come along with your iPhone, your Google, or your Android, and you help these companies to better understand if their trailer to that movie is going to be success. You just give feedback to that, and you can earn points. Now, the last one is going to be Ibotta. I like this one because we shop all the time. We go to the grocery store, and you go to the grocery store all the time. It's just something you do. So all you're going to be doing here is you're going to be going to the grocery store, and you're going to be scanning in your receipt from the grocery store. Once you do that, then you're going to earn points, and you're going to be able to get paid. They pay out in both PayPal and in Venmo. Okay, so it's something that you could, you go to the store maybe every day. It doesn't really matter. You can go to grocery store. You can go to other places. You just scan in your receipt. They understand what you shop for and what you got, and you can make money with it. It's really the easiest one out there because all you have to do is just scan your receipt, and then they take care of the rest. I mean, you don't have to do anything. And I go grocery shopping, seems like almost a daily basis. So all I do is scan in the receipts, and I earn points, and I make money with that. All right, so there you go. Hey, if you want to get some information on how to earn passive income, click on the link in the description. That'll take you there and give you information on how you can start making $300-$400 per day online. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends and comment below. Let me know how I can help you online and help you succeed. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.